This was not supposed to be on sale for Prime Day, but I reached out to my friends at Beach Lane and begged, and now you can get it on sale. This is an electronic leveling indicator. You mount this in your RV and it will tell you on your phone through their app when your RV is level. It's very accurate. It saves you a lot of time setting up and you don't have to break out your bubble level. It gets even easier when you combine this with curved leveling ramps. It's as simple as placing your ramps, putting your phone in your dash cradle, and inching onto the ramps until you're level sideways. After you chalk and disconnect, just hold your phone in one hand while raising or lowering your tongue jack until your pitch is level. It's already cheaper than the other popular wireless leveler, and now during Prime Days, you can get it for a little bit less. Beach Lane is an American company. They offer a lifetime warranty on this and all their products. I would easily recommend this to anyone who doesn't have an automatic leveling system. Amazon Prime Day is here, and it's 4 days this year, July 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. Instead of searching through pages and pages of products, I'm going to point you towards some of the more popular RV products that are on sale. I'll tell you a little bit about each one, and then down in the video description, I'll put a link that'll take you directly to each product I show you today. Probably one of the more underrated RV gadgets. You hook this up to a hose, open your toilet's flush valve, and put this down through the toilet into your black tank. I've done some preliminary tests using one of these for some new tank videos I'm working on, and it actually works pretty well. It does a good job cleaning off the walls of the tank. It helps to remove debris from the sensors. The Camco swivel stick is not expensive to begin with, and they are even cheaper during Prime Days. Battery Tender has an awesome battery charger discounted for Prime Days. This is perfect to keep your battery charged if you leave your camper unplugged after winterizing or even between trips. If you store your RV off-site and there's no power, bring your battery home and keep it topped off. This will charge 12-volt lead acid, flooded AGM, gel cells, and yes, lithium batteries as well. It will not overcharge or allow discharge while connected. I've been using the Battery Tender brand for probably over 20 years now and have been extremely happy with their performance. Now, I personally prefer the Hughes Power Watchdog EMS, but they are not on sale for Prime Day. Progressive Industries 30 and 50 amp portable EMSs are on sale. And you know, there's a lot of great products that I don't talk about on this channel because I just don't personally use them, but Progressive EMSs are used by a lot of RVers, and I'm comfortable saying they are a great option for RV electrical protection. Before we move to the next one, I want to mention that Amazon is constantly changing this list. Now, I can't add to the video once it's been uploaded, but I can add to the video description. So if you don't see anything that you want in today's video, I will put an additional list of items on sale down below in the video description. The best-selling RV water filter of all time is on Prime Day discount, and it is the Camco Taste Pure RV water filter. This should be replaced every 3 months, regardless of usage. Even if you only RV for 1 weekend a month, all RV water filters are subject to start growing mold and bacteria around that 90-day mark because the insides never really dry out. The single filter and the 4-pack are on sale. The 2-pack is not, so I'll put links to what's on sale down below. Another item is the 25-foot Evo Flex 2 water hose. I just talked about this in a previous video. I think it's a great option for RVers because it's lead and BPA free, drinking water safe, but it's also a collapsible hose, which means it's lightweight and can be tightly wrapped and stuffed into small areas. Weight and space are kind of important things when you're traveling in an RV. The 25-foot length is on sale, but you can select the different sizes from the link I'll put down below. Even if you only do some of your own RV maintenance and repairs, you can save money on the DeWalt 20-volt electric drill and impact driver combo pack on sale. It comes with a charger, 2 20-volt batteries, and a carry bag. These are tools definitely worth having in your RV. It's a trusted brand and it's on sale during Prime Days. The Camco Fasten leveling blocks hit the list this year. They interlock and can be stacked to form a ramp that you would drive on to level an RV sideways. You can also use these under the tongue jack because it reduces the length you need to extend the jack, which increases the stability of the trailer. Same principle for the stabilizer jacks. I like these because they're light for the amount of height you get, and lighter is better when you're towing. They're also strong. Mine have taken a beating over the last 9 years, as you can see, and they've held up great. You can also get these block caps that smooth out the top surface. I don't think the caps are on sale for Prime Day, but I did want to mention them in case you decide to get these blocks. Maxol has a pair of their heavy-duty wheel chocks on sale. It's a good time to get rid of those cheap plastic chocks. These are their big boys, 10 by 8 by 6 inches, and they come with an eye bolt so you can rope these together if you want. Lippert will be putting their entry door friction hinges on sale. They allow you to open your door to the position you want and prevent the door from slamming shut. They're rated for up to 25-mile-an-hour wind gust and very easy to install. The Trailer Aid is a tire changing ramp for dual axle trailers. You drive the good tire on the ramp and it raises the RV enough to change the bad tire without having to get out the jack. This is a huge time saver if you have to change a tire, and it can actually be much safer than using a jack. I always keep one of these in my truck toolbox. Now the Trailer Aid works on a lot of different trailers, but it doesn't work on them all. Some suspension and axle configurations won't allow the other tire to lift off the ground with the height this ramp provides. The easiest way to find out is to ask around in the online owners groups for your specific model and floor plan. I spoke with Matt and he said he will be putting the liquefied line on sale. This is the tank treatment we use. It comes with an easy to use applicator built right into the bottle. Now I've only ever used the orange scent. I've been very happy with this product, but I will put some links down below to the other liquefied products. Another Camco product on today's list is the Rhino-Flex sewer hose kit. On sale this year is the 15-foot hose kit. It comes with hose caps and a clear elbow with 3, 3.5, and 4-inch NPT threads. This is one of their best sellers. Now the clear elbow on this kit does not disconnect from the hose. Not really a big deal, because if you want to extend this, you just add the hose on the other end. This hose will just have to be the last one in line that connects to the sewer. Plus, you can remove the last fitting off the clear elbow, so the hose will still fit in a 4x4-inch bumper. All I've ever used were the Rhino-Flex sewer hoses, and I've always been happy with them. Now, if you're really rough on equipment and you need more than 15 feet, they also have their Rhino Extreme 20-foot sewer hose kit on sale. Also comes with hose caps and a clear elbow, but this clear elbow is removable. For the kitchen, Kamenstein will have their 20-jar revolving spice rack on sale. It's polished stainless steel. It doesn't use a lot of counter space at less than 9 inches wide, and they will provide free spice refills for 5 years. If you need a new camping chair, it's a good time to grab the Lippert Big Bear chair. It's available in 2 different colors and comes with a carry bag, cup holders, and has a 400-pound weight capacity. If you need a longer RV power cord, now's a good time to get one. A few of the Camco Power Grip extension cords are on sale. I'll put links and descriptions down below. If you want to get Prime Day sale list early via email, I will put a link to our newsletter at the top of the screen right now. It's free to join. We don't overload your inbox with junk, and it takes about 10 seconds to sign up. If this video helps save you a few bucks, please hit that like button. We hope you consider subscribing.